Hi guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa for Jamaica. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Consulate General of Jamaica website. The reason is whenever you want to apply any kind of visa, the very first thing you should check that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on the other visas that you may have, you may or may not need a visa. And when you check such requirements, always check on the official entity that covers your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be some different steps, additional documents, fee, etc. So let's say you live in Canada. I have opened this visa section here. They have given some conditions like you must be able to support, okay, should not have been sentenced in a foreign country for any extradition crime. So general rules, okay, like everyone wants like trouble-free travelers or tourist strike. If you and they were given US citizen, Canadian citizens, valid passport, Canadian resident, valid passport, travel document, and a valid print card. Okay, other foreign nationals. So okay, now uh, there are few things like apart from these, like based on your nationality, like if you're a Commonwealth citizen, you need this like your passport valid for 6 months minimum, valid entry visa, okay, proof of financial support, acceptable documentation, okay, itinerary, visa application form will go through. If you're from other country like not Commonwealth citizen, national passport, completed visa application form J to be submitted in duplicate, two passport size photograph, valid entry to Canada permit submit, okay, or onward destination, required visa fee, cash or money or itinerary. Okay, so this you can do. Now I want to show you something. Yeah, I have there's another page here on this website where they have given more information that the processing time is 10 to 14 business days. Okay. You can contact here to confirm the required fee. Okay. If you want your passport to be mailed to you, like you don't want in person, you can uh, put self-addressed stamped envelope along with a postage fee. Okay. They only accept money order, bank draft, or cash. And if you're applying by mail, don't send it by mail. Tourist visa, same requirements. Okay. And you need to contact consulate to find the required fee. Okay. Now we know what are the requirements. Well, and now it's time to go through the form. They also have a link to book appointment. You can select which state. Wow, you don't have appointments. Maybe you need to call and book, or maybe system is down now. Okay, no worries. Now it's time to go through the form. The link is here. Form J, surname, first name, nationality, former name if different, date and place of birth, gender, arrived in, okay, coming from, minor children if they are accompanying you, address, present address, permanent address if different from above. So if you are living at your permanent address, just present address. Marital status, visa required for destination in Jamaica. Okay. Select tourist or that you have. Date of previous visit to Jamaica if you had. Date of proposed travel, occupation, reason of journey, duration. Okay. Passport details. preferences, date and time. Like if you're going for hotel and other, like you have this right. So in this way, you can do this. What happens when I click on submit form? I don't know. Wow. Okay, guys. So now you got this information also how to fill and do. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.